Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Dino Dana Toys is probably one of the most exciting toy lines for young dinosaur enthusiasts. Inspired by the popular TV show, these toys bring the world of paleontology to life, offering a unique blend of fun and education. From interactive figurines to engaging playsets, Dino Dana Toys provide an immersive experience that sparks curiosity and encourages children to explore the fascinating world of dinosaurs. Number 5. PREXTEX Dinosaur Toys for Kids 3 to 5. This amazing set includes a sound book that lets kids learn about dinosaurs. Press the buttons to hear the unique roars of each dinosaur. It's a fun and educational experience. The set comes with 12 toy dinosaurs, including T-Rex, Stegosaurus, and Triceratops. These figures encourage imaginative play and storytelling. Kids will love creating their own dinosaur adventures. Crafted from plastic with detailed textures and vibrant colors, these realistic dinosaur toys spark curiosity. They are designed with attention to accuracy and durability, perfect for young explorers. This set is ideal for educational activities and dinosaur-themed parties. It's suitable for kids aged 3 to 5. The interactive elements make learning about dinosaurs enjoyable. Beautifully packaged, making it an excellent gift for young dinosaur enthusiasts. The interactive sound book and detailed figures make it a fun and educational present. They will be thrilled to receive it. What we like. This set includes an interactive sound book that brings dinosaurs to life with roars and facts. The realistic figures encourage imaginative play and learning about different species. If you're looking for a fun and educational gift that combines play and learning, this is a great choice. What people say. The included Dino toys match the dinosaurs on each page and even have a photo of the corresponding toy at the bottom of each page. Each button provides a pronunciation of the dinosaur's name and a convincing Dino sound. Very engaging for our Dino-loving toddler. The book is a great learning tool and it helps to learn the proper names of the dinosaurs. It is also fun to be able to match the toy dinosaurs to the ones in the book. Not figuritas enanas, ni de mala calidad, y además vienen con un librito. Number 4. Lielgen Dinosaur Toys for Boys and Girls. Bring the prehistoric world to life with these lifelike dinosaur figures. This set is perfect for imaginative play and learning for kids aged 3 to 5. Explore the world of dinosaurs with the interactive sound book. It allows children to learn fascinating facts and hear realistic roars. This set includes 12 dinosaurs, an interactive sound book, a play mat, trees, rocks, and a fossil. Everything is included for a complete dinosaur play experience. Each 7-inch dinosaur figure fits comfortably in little hands. These toddler toys are designed for easy gripping and realistic play at home or with friends. These dinosaur toys combine hands-on play with learning. It encourages kids to explore, imagine, and learn about dinosaurs in a captivating and educational way. What we like. This set offers a complete dinosaur experience with a play mat, trees, and more. The realistic figures and interactive sound book create an immersive prehistoric world. If you have a child who loves to build and create their own dinosaur scenes, they will love this set. What people say. They are the perfect size. The book is very helpful in helping us learn how to pronounce the names. He is now able to identify lots of dinosaurs. Very educational. Number 3. National Geographic Mega Fossil Dig Kit. Discover the thrill of excavation with this amazing kit. It contains genuine fossils that are millions of years old. This is a great way to inspire a lifelong love of learning. Use the included tools to dig up incredible, real fossils. This kit makes a perfect STEM gift for kids. They can explore and learn about the fascinating world of paleontology. This kit includes a dig brick packed with 15 ancient fossils. You'll find shark teeth, ammonites, and more. It's a complete learning activity that will keep them engaged for hours. The full-color learning guide illustrates how fossils are formed. It helps young scientists identify each specimen as they discover them. This makes science and learning fun. The kit includes everything needed for a complete digging experience. It comes with a chisel, brush, and magnifying glass. This is a high-quality educational toy. We are proud to make the highest quality hands-on science toys. If your experience is less than stellar, let us know and we'll make things right. What we like? This kit lets you excavate real fossils, including teeth and more. The included tools and learning guide make it a complete educational experience. If you are looking for a hands-on STEM activity that sparks curiosity about the past, this is the perfect choice. What people say. She had a blast unearthing all the hidden fossils, and the kit kept her engaged for hours. The included tools are easy to use, and the instructions were simple to follow, making it fun and educational at the same time. Impressed with the quality of the fossils. Usually these kits at this price point seem to have plastic facsimiles, but this one was all real. Number 2. PLAYVIBE Dinosaur Toys for Kids. Discover 12 realistic and colorful dinosaur figurines. Each one is crafted for durability and made from high-quality material. This set is perfect for young explorers. This set includes Diplodocus, Gallimimus, Allosaurus, and more. These figures bring the prehistoric world to life. They are perfect for imaginative play. Keep the dinosaur toys organized with the included metal storage box. It's beautifully designed with a dinosaur image. The box provides a convenient storage solution. These dinosaur toys are made of non-toxic and high-quality PVC material. They are free from harmful chemicals like BPA. This ensures safety for your kids. Delight dinosaur enthusiasts with this beautifully packaged set. It's a great gift for birthdays or holidays. It's also educational, helping kids learn while they play. What we like? This set features realistic and colorful dinosaur figures, perfect for imaginative play. The included metal storage box keeps everything organized and easy to bring along. If you like a safe and durable toy set that encourages imaginative play, this is a great option. What people say. He plays with them every day and cleanup is a breeze with the metal box that it came with. The delivery was swift and great, and I would definitely purchase these again. They go everywhere with him, including bed. The kids love to play with dinosaurs in school, so we bought these for home. We noticed the colors were bright and colorful, plus it comes in its own carrier case. Number 1. National Geographic Dinosaur Dig Kit. Get ready for an exciting adventure. This kit lets you excavate dinosaur figures from individual eggs. You'll also learn to identify the different dinosaurs you discover. This dig kit is perfect for sharing with friends and classmates. It's a great collaborative activity for classrooms or parties, providing everyone with their own egg and tools. This kit encourages a love of paleontology. It provides a hands-on experience excavating and identifying specimens, sparking curiosity about the prehistoric world. Inside, you'll find a detailed learning guide with fascinating facts about the 6 different dinosaur species hidden within. The guide enhances the learning experience. We are proud to offer high-quality, hands-on science toys. If you're not completely satisfied, let us know, and we'll make sure you're happy with it. What we like? This kit lets you excavate a dinosaur figure from each egg, making it a fun and shareable activity. The detailed learning guide provides fascinating facts about the dinosaurs. If you have a child who loves surprises and learning, this is a fantastic choice for a party or classroom activity. What people say. My great-granddaughter opened this gift and immediately went outside to hammer away at the dinosaur eggs. He spent hours digging at it. You definitely need to put it in a pan, aluminum, because it makes a mess as you wet it down. There are a variety of dinosaurs to be found. If you want a gift that will keep your kids busy, then this is it. It can take a while to dig the fossils up, but if you add water to your digging, it speeds up the process. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.